Do you like your buns toasty? Well, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your buns toasty. So, what's one of the things that a lot of people do when they go camping? They cook hot dogs. Yeah, hot dogs are quick and easy, but this is just a little bit of an extra twist on those that makes it kind of fun. So, you just need some hot dogs, some crescent dough, and whatever toppings you want. Ketchup, mustard, onions, whatever. Oh, and of course, you'll need a broomstick. Now, I know that sounds kind of funny, but before you go camping, just stop by the dollar store and pick you up a couple of these aluminum brooms. All you need to do is pop the top off. So, go ahead and take some heavy-duty aluminum foil, and we're just going to wrap it around the broomstick. Now, I leave a little bit up on top to fold over. So we're just going to fold that around the broomstick. And then fold that over down on the top. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to take some cooking spray and spray that up really good. And now we'll take a crescent dough. Okay, the crescent dough works really well because they come out in these little triangles, which works really well for rolling it on the stick. So let's unroll this dough. Wrap a little bit over the top of the broomstick and then just kind of keep wrapping it. Just wrap it around. And I like to use 2 of the crescent dough triangles and then start off where you left off. Just overlap it a little bit. You don't want it too thick because you want it to be able to cook evenly. And wrap it around your stick. And there you go. Let's go over and get cooking. This one still has the broom on it. Now as these cook, the dough will slowly puff up and start to get golden brown. Okay, so we've got them toasted just nice and golden brown, and they just slide right off. Now we'll go ahead and get a little bit of mustard in there, a little bit of ketchup, and the fun thing is we take our hot dog and just pop it down in there, and there you go. You've got some toasty buns. So from Let's Go Now Adventures, I'll see you on the next adventure.